So this is Rahul's place at Pune. This is our last morning. So thank you, Rahul, if you're seeing this. Thank you so much for everything. Gaurav, Rahul, Gopal, More, Apu, Abhi, everyone we met at Pune. Thank you so much. We have to leave for Mumbai, but we'll take another route, not the highway. Hello, Rahul. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for everything. We had crazy time here at Pune for 2 nights.
I hope you come back soon, man.
Yeah, sure.
I have a lot to ride in Pune, around Pune.
So now we will be heading to Mumbai through another route.
Through my hometown, Lonavala,
Yeah.
where I grew.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoy that route.
Yeah, man. Ready, Don? Ready?
Thang.
See you guys.
Call me if you need anything.
Yeah, of course.
Enjoy the road. Don't worry about time.
Yeah.
After Khandala, there is nothing to enjoy. So. Something is hanging. Is it okay?
Yeah, don't need to turn anymore, yeah.
Just drop it.
Huh? That's okay, man. Bye, bro. Once again, man. Missing you guys, man, already.
Yes. Bye, man.
Missing you guys already, man.
Yes.
Bye. See you, man. See you at RM.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. Bye, man. I'll update. I'll keep you posted. Bye. done. Ghats of Maharashtra. Ah. 13 kilometers to the viewpoint. Yeah. Huh? Yes, that teh, yang teh. Yang teh viewpointnya. Just. Apa ya tak?
Oh, GE ngayo yuk so.
So? So? Hah? So? So you?
Suruh GE mana?
Ayap.
Ham ya, ram.
Mana glove dah habsuk sondur lah. Hơi vòng nữa. Ish, banget. Sayang sih, maka baik. Ha, ngini lin tu viewpoint mah tan mah. Sim, sana ha. Kena
140 per person.
140. Just one picture. Okay, come here, just one picture. Không xa lại bạn riêng đây. Riêng, nhưng mà không phải. Khali picture. Khali picture. Okay. Bạn. Ada, yang kan? Khali picture teh. Semua. So look at this. These are the huts. Kumtu. Trong tu thôi. Wow, the ghats are beautiful. Thank you, Rahul, for this route, man. Beautiful one. The ghats of Maharashtra. Wow. So this is Kundalika Valley, 60 kilometers away from Pune. So we're taking the route behind Pune, passing all these ghats and then to Navi Mumbai. Look at this, such a beautiful one. Thank you, Rahul and Gaurav, for suggesting us this route. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful any day, anytime than the national highway or the expressway. Thank you. We'll push off now to see some more places before we head to Mumbai. Mumbai will stay only one night. Tomorrow we're heading to Gujarat. nak ni obat right. Wah. Dan baru saya.
On 16.
Xenofidan, dan bor. Oh, dan bor. Dan bor. Tuh, tang hap gelap dan bor. Yang hane yuan khala tak akut tak ngah ni maroi. Kini ka pet dan syuk datang ni siliang tas sekalian Mumbai malai. Tak mana. Dan bor. Dan bor. Brace lah duk kat tapat. Balai Islam haduk kat tapat teh. Oh, tak lawan. Tawan-wan ngayo snow. Tak lawan nama ahap gloves. senyuk, pergi senyuk. Pergi pelang dia. Hello. Pardon? Internet? Who is this calling? Stay back. Let us stay. another side of the ghats. Ni betul saya. Tu. Baru khat. We have to stop, take pictures, take videos because it's so beautiful. Bang ini keren dah. Signal. Hi. Benar. Tenat ha. I've reached Lonavala, hometown of my friend Rahul and Gaurav. I love this place, man. It's so big and the way up here is so nice, so beautiful. Thank you brothers Rahul and Gaurav. Bare, thank you so much. And now we'll find a place to have food and go to Mumbai. Thank you. to move on to the next stop. San Bajing in point. 120 kilometers. Hả?
Cầm đoái ra như thế rồi.
Không đuổi đây. Đã đuổi anh mà. Pagi government fixing our one cobre. Kata ni apa ini? Apa ini berhenti di tengah tengah apa ini habis ke Mumbai, Nasni. Habis masuk ke ini pagi anyal bikin one dah yang ni apa yang berhenti sungkin begini yang apa bapa apa ini. Hai kiwir kena yang apa walang bisa in resmas ni sini. Mal kop ini walang bisa pasal serta aman. Beautiful. Yang tu. Dah. Dah. So this is the expressway where bikes are not allowed, two-wheelers are not allowed to ride this expressway. That's a Tiger Point and Lions Point. Wow. Bam Jano. So style tak? Bam Jano. Jai. Ada kong dapat Giants pun here. Sedang 10,000 km, 10 km, 10,000 km sa Mumbai. Te Nemas entah. Nanti hajan Luna Vala ha khmat Luna Vala. Te mentah hab duduk tangan tang semit Mumbai man sa hab di Gujarat. Dan Porsche wala makenang ni dan duduk kelas ni dan Porsche pat. Mahab di Rajasthan ni tu. Sebelum mah duduk perlok ngah sama Ankit Ben Philips, so many guys. See you later. kilometers away to Nagaland House, Navi. We're just having a smoke break, only 4 minutes away. So we'll be there soon. See you. Meghalaya House. I'll go reception first. हाँ?
गाड़ी पीछे लगाओ ना अभी अब इधर रहेगा ना
हाँ.
हाँ गाड़ी पीछे लगाओ दोनों भी
अभी किधर शिलोंग से आए क्या?
हाँ. शिलोंग से आया.
कितना दिन लगा?
नंबर बराबर है दस
मेरा नंबर.
हाँ
मेरा नंबर है.
हाँ इधर साइड पे
आप लोग गया साल में जो आया था वही नहीं गया? नहीं
नहीं, हम गुजरात में गया. सब गया. हाँ, तो अभी 15 दिन 14 days अभी.
अभी यहाँ से गुजरात
गुजरात राजस्थान में. Sedang keteng jong nah nih. Jonathan.
Oh,
Hah?
Jonathan is fine.
हाँ, dah buat.
Junior, VIP 2A ready है? Ready है ना? लेके जाओ ना. बाद में फॉर्म ये ला मिनी.
Raymond. How to, if I need something, how, what should I press? No, what should I press? Which number? Oh, it's there. Okay. Thank you.
Bell? Like a bell along, huh?
This one? Bathroom, okay. All right, thank you. This is the bedroom, this is the dining room. Thank you. Apoy Mumbai, Rio Baji. Say Sham, Pangma, Pangshimit Pine, say decide Shwa. Tias, nice. Jakaba moto. Katia. Kamsum ne. They're gonna the Meghalaya House at Navi, Mumbai.
Where in Bombay was that?
That was in around, I don't know where was that, man.
Was it in Bombay or was it in New Bombay?
No, not nice ground. Nice ground, huh?
If it was Bombay, then it has to be BKC only. There is no other place where there can be rock concert. Was it open ground?
Brother, we are here again with Mr. Ankit. The same old story that he got the Himalayan in the lucky draw. Fuck.
That thing is never gonna get old, right?
Yeah.
My car is parked that side.
Okay, no? Do you want to check, no?
No, they would
Huh?
check, but I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Okay. Wow, I'm so grateful. I'm so being loved, man,
Yeah, man, true.
by the people of Mumbai. Bro, where's your car?
Where the fuck is my car?
Where's your key? You have the key, no? No, just do your key. No, this is not the place, no? I think it's the other side, no?
We'll have a cigarette.
Yeah. He almost lost his car. All good? All good?
All good, all good.
Stomach is full?
Yeah, stomach's full.
Oh, that's what matters.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Bye, bro. Take care.
Good night, good night.
Night.
So, ngajak nanti mentah. On drop di perlok. What's up? Where's Union? No. I want to pick up my friends. Oh, that one? There, no? Yeah. There, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Abang lah. Bak sama London Union. Ada wat mentah. What's up? Union. No, madam. Those hai bhai. अभी जाएगा मैं हाँ एक नंबर यूनियन में हाँ it's okay
नहीं सीडी बैंक से राइट ले तू बता रहा हूँ
अरे दुर्गा नाके से निकलता
अरे चल ना रे बाबा बता रहा हूँ मैं तेरे को
उल्टा बता रहा है
अरे मेरे को पता ना किधर छोड़ने का है बाबू राइट गेट क्लोज हाँ चल
अलग उतरने वाला है क्या
हाँ तू चल बाबा मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरे को गे लेफ्ट इकडून लेफ्ट गे
ये स्टेशन की तरफ चल
लेफ्ट चल
वाशी स्टेशन चल
लेफ्ट ले रे बाबा से राइट लेफ्ट
yes
take room left के हाँ लेफ्ट के
you have the GPS
this one
yeah that's one man
all right
he's looking at his signal it's going the same way we are you are telling
yeah सीधा लेफ्ट मानी सीधा लेफ्ट अरे भाई तू चल सीधा सीधा चल चल पहला राइट मान
क्यों किया?
ऊबर पे तेरा माइनस में है तो मैं क्या करूँ भाई?
मेरा बात माइनस में रहने दे, कुछ भी रहने दे, लेकिन तेरा दिखाना चाहिए ना इधर पेमेंट।
एक मिनट,
इधर पेमेंट दिखाना चाहिए ना मेरे को।
एक मिनट,
इधर पेमेंट
एक
किधर दिखा रहा
मिनट,
है?
शांत। तुम्हारा नंबर बताओ।
83 8355।
भाई मैंने ये पेमेंट कर दिया है,
लेकिन मेरे को इधर दिखाना चाहिए ना सर।
तो सर मैं क्या करूँ?
See from the app, no?
अच्छा
ये मेरा
ऐप अगर if I am booking right now, it will not let me book because I have not paid him. बराबर ना? आपको अभी ये देखो, मेरा तो पेमेंट चल रहा है, आपका 99 रुपया का जो पेमेंट है ना वो हो गया।
इसमें किसमें तो दिखाना चाहिए ना
ऊबर
तो।
चालू करोगे? हाँ ये देखो।
अरे ये दूसरा ऑर्डर आया है मेरे को।
ना मेरा तो ये देखो, मेरा तो दिख रहा
Very
है।
you, yeah?
Yeah. Hey guys, go ahead.
No. I'll be here with you, man.
Don't sweat. मतलब मैंने ऐसा कुछ चोरी नहीं किया भाई।
बात सही है आपका सर, लेकिन मेरे को दोनों में से एक को भी, एक में तो दिखाना चाहिए
कुछ
ना।
तो दिखाना चाहिए ना, बराबर है।
मेरे जीपे पे दिखाना चाहिए।
Mumbai is music. Man. Alive. Nah, yuk kerja Mumbai te. Saya tinggal di Nasi Gujarat pan deh. Gujarat ki. Wala. Dum sport. Mình không lạ. Mình không lạ bên này, không sport. Martin, dong lên sport. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello, bro. What? No, man, it's okay. We're still struggling with the key now. Yeah. Yeah. Where are you now? Where are you now? You have to reach. Okay. We're struggling with the key door now. Yeah. Key door. Yeah. Bro. Yeah. See you. Bye. Love you, man. Bye.
Đúng rồi, bỏ.
Bạn làm video. Bạn này. Lạ. Tan miếng. Nein, einer braucht ihn da. Okay, los, bitte nicht mal.
तुमने परसों गए
Ngon rồi đó. Hot đấy, sport.
bukan lem.
Hot đấy, ngon đấy. Hot đấy.
Don.
Yang menit ya? Yang mai?
Thực tập. Subang cek sofa mah. Good night, guys. Heading to Gujarat tomorrow. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. We are riders and we'll ride hard and we'll ride safe and we will be there. It's the journey that matters.